Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we've come to Lappa Valley Railway. It's a lovely little place where you go to catch a little steam train to get to the actual adventure park. So let's show you that train and let's get in there and see what this place is about. So this is the car park. It's a gravel car park. We are in half term, so it's pretty full. And that's where we're headed first of all.
I'll take a picture of the map.
I got more.
So here's a little map of what's here. We're just coming up to the ticket office and the small railway platform, I imagine, where we catch the train. Immediately by there's some children's trains to play on. As always, there is a bit of a gift shop with some model trains and such. So here's the little platform for the train. So we're in the train.
Hi.
Apparently this is a 10-minute little train ride and I'll film along the way for you. Hi Jay.
Another train.
Let's go into the front of the colours, because otherwise we can't be cold.
Camera off. Obviously where they get the coal for the train from.
You know who made it.
Everybody. Did you wave like a bunch of donkeys? You know they can't see you, right? So it looks like there's a further 2 train rides you can go on whilst you're in here, this being one of them. Looks like you hold on whilst you're going.
Let's play a little bit and we'll get you an ice cream. I think there's a toddler.
ice cream actually.
So there must have been some kind of mine here also. Perhaps that's what this is.
You know who made it.
Pretty good mini golf here as well. You can see they also got the swan boats on the lake you can go on. But for those of you that saw my previous antics, when I went on a boat, I'm not so sure that's a good idea with me. They've also got trampolines over by there, but I won't go too close to that because of all the kids that are over there. So it looks like that's where you get on the pedalos, and then you go around the lake and come back in to get out. Mind, I expect that'll take you at least 10 minutes to get around there, I imagine. And then right next to this little lake, it's got the engine shed, and that looks to be like a bit of a cafe. Upon further inspection of the map, that's actually the house of the dual level soft play centre too. So that's going to be a must visit for us. Obviously I'm not going to be able to film inside of there with 60-70 kids running around. You can just see that stack in the background there. I say just see, it's pretty big. I wonder if that's, well, it obviously is connected to the mine, so I'll see if I can get some more info on that. You guessed it, I'm a risk taker. Hey guys, Evie. Different view of the cafe from down by here. Got to be a bit of a risk taker. Luckily we didn't sink this time. So this whole area must have been a previous mine, because right next to the soft play centre it says East Wheel Rose Mine, Jubilee Mine Shaft. So there must be a few of them around here. There's another like ride on scooter thing over by there right next to another cafe, and there's some toilets by there. And here's some information about this mine. So it was a silver and lead mine. So there's another little play area and picnic benches to sit on. And there's more play areas up there. So here's that massive, I don't know what it is, chimney? See a bit of information on it. 120 feet high. Doesn't look like much inside though. A bit more information on this would have been nice, but maybe I'll find some online and stick it in the description below for you. They got some of those little mechanical diggers in the sand for the little kiddies. And right up in this back corner they got another little obstacle course for kids and a fair slide down. So We're right behind that little cafe now. And over by there's something called a musical walk. Just there. So let's go and see what that's about. So the musical walk is basically through a little forested area of the park with a couple of outdoor musical instruments, as you can see by here. So here's the train station. I think I showed you when I got off the electric cars. I think they're the only rides here that you actually have to pay for. Everything else is included in your entry fee. But right by the side of that there's a little walkway, not very well signposted. So let's go and see what's up here. So let's go and take a look at what this frisbee golf is first. Sounds interesting. Okay, so this section is a little bit like a golf course with different numbers. And basically you have a frisbee and there's a net in the middle of the holes, and the idea is you throw the frisbee into the net. So rather than walk around lots of different holes showing you the same thing, let's go and see what the woodland walk is. As a last note, I just noticed on the way out of this place, it says give your frisbee back into the gift shop. So that's obviously where you have to collect it from in the first place. So this is the woodland walk bit. So we've come so far up this trail. I don't know how far it goes, and we're at the end of May, actually the 28th of May right now. And there's still bogs on the track. So that's a stop for me. Let's go back. So here's return train come in. So we'll catch this one back to the beginning, but I won't film that for you because you've already seen that bit. And just before we depart, as we're sat on the train, of course they do have the gift shop full of all your usual gear. So here we go guys, that was Lappa Valley down near Newquay. Did you enjoy it? Absolutely perfect for the young kids, 7-8-year-olds. They'll absolutely love it, spend all day here. Let me know what you thought down below. Please like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye for now.